Today let's take a look at the Walmart Affiliate Program. Walmart offers a comprehensive affiliate program which allows individuals and businesses to earn commissions on sales generated through links to Walmart on their websites. The Walmart Affiliate Program offers a number of different earning opportunities, including a commission on sales of all products on Walmart, as well as commissions on specific categories of products, including home and garden, health and beauty, and clothing. In addition, affiliates can also earn commissions on sales from Walmart's daily deals and electronics categories. How to join the Walmart Affiliate Program. I'll leave the link below to the affiliate sign-up page. It's free to join. Walmart does require affiliates to apply with a website, and they must be reviewed and approved before accepting you as an affiliate. The affiliate program is managed by Impact Radius Network, so you will actually be signing up through the impact.com website. What are the commission rates? Depending on certain products, the commission rates are mostly between 1 and 4%. Basically, you earn a commission on every product net sales. They will automatically pay you when you reach earnings of at least $10. If you are interested in promoting Walmart as an affiliate, see the details below in the video description. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more affiliate marketing and make money online content.